Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to dynamically mark a chatbot conversation as follow-up in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. In this flow right here, I'm asking if the user would like to participate in our upcoming audition. If the user is interested, I will dynamically mark the conversation as follow-up. Let me show you how. The conversation has been marked as follow-up. There you have it. You just learned how to dynamically mark a conversation as follow-up. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.